official. The court system is judicial. It goes check, check, two-state balance, not just one. We bring 3 talents to powers. Gotta keep them separated. That's the motto we made.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, listen. Where would you use that in your lesson? Where would you use a video to show them to introduce activate? Or are they activated about learning after that?
Yes.
Yes, they are. They are. Now let me ask you guys this. So, you know, twos has its own video. How do you get? I mean, how often do you use it to get all the way to the nines and the, you know, the sevens, eights, nines? How often do you have to do this in your classroom? Is it a daily thing?
They ask for it daily. When I first introduced them, like I showed them as an activator, and they would say, if we get through everything and we do our best, can we watch it in the class?
Wonderful.
And so sometimes I would show them twice a day depending on what we had.
So you wouldn't spend a lot of time on your twos. You would obviously spend a lot of times on your threes.
Well, when I teach mine, I teach ones, twos, fives, tens first, because those are always the easiest, and then I go to everything else.
I tell mine we can't go to the next number until they got Howell.
What grade do you teach?
And
Third grade.
I had little whiteboards with markers, and before the video started, they would write all the facts first without the answers. And then, as they caught up the answers, they had to write them down, so they would be practicing writing it too. Wonderful.
And then after we would listen to the video, we have activates in our classroom that look like remote control things, and they can do like a time test. So if we've gone through our threes, then they would have their activate, and after we watch it, they would do the time test, so I could monitor.
That is wonderful. And just getting kids engaged with something that they like, and that's going to teach them mastery. They're going to remember that song when they're 20. You know, they really are. That is wonderful. We have not given you a chance to present, have we? No. Come on up and present your.
You're like, oh no, now I have to go after that.
Yeah, right.
We didn't use the video where we but we talked about how to work with multiplication when you're doing problem-solving situations. When you would have the kids, it would be repeated addition, and so you're working through real-life situations so that they can figure out that, hey, you know, if I'm going to be doing repeated addition, it would be easier if I could just use multiplication.
Checking the alligator, right? To see how many feet the alligator is, how much do I get per foot? That's exactly right. You were drawing something back there.
I'm sorry,
Edie. You listen,
tiles.
I interrupted you. You finish, but I want Edie.
Let her go ahead and do that because that was another one of those things.
Okay. Edie had something back there.
I've seen these before.
Yeah, and I want to know about this because I didn't really fully understand it.
Oh! It's little tiles, and it'll have like 42. So you find the next tile that has the equation, and that is 6 times 7. And then I'll have another product, so it'll say it's 20. So then they had to find the tile that makes 20. So times 5. And then eventually they'll go like this, and when you end, the last tile has a 42. That means everything was correct. If you end the last tile that's not the same number, it's wrong, and you have to start over.
Now, is this something that's store-bought?
Yes.
Okay.
You could make it on cards.
Yeah.
Make it on a set of cards.
Okay, I need to write that down for her.
It's like a
Let's hear it for Edie. Hey, Edie.
I think it's called multiplication dominoes.
Multiplication dominoes, okay, very good. Hi, Gina, I saw her back there, I was like, no,
They
don't
make them
feel
for
her finger.
fractions too.
Oh, fractions.
Do you know where you got them? I mean, was
Yes.
that like a long time? I wonder if
But I
that's
seen them. I've
You're
seen
gonna get a Cathy's closet, get a multiplication
Maybe over at the education tree over there on by Walmart. Learning tree, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, let's let her finish.
We also use a number line for skip counting and to show multiplication. Use a number line, and also you can use 100 chart. So like you go down, you know, if you're doing by 10. We wanted to do equal groups and arrays.
Yes.
Show multiplication as well. Use arrays. We also thought about using doubles and square facts. Square facts that always make a square. And monster facts, which are facts that there's no trick to come up with.
Right.
Just a few of them that you can't figure out another way to figure them out. You just have to learn them. So just identify those because they're how many, Kimberly, are there? I can't remember.
Monster facts. I think I want to say there's around 6.
Yeah, around 6 facts, 6 or 7 facts that
That don't
you can't.
have, that don't fit into any kind of strategy or trick.
Really? That's interesting.
And you could also say, start with, if you don't know 6 times 7, I mean, like 6 times, if you don't know 6 times 7, you could say 6 times 5 is 30.
That's
You
right.
know that. So most of them know their 5s. So start there and how you count forward, with
That's
2
right.
more sets.
Okay, very good, very good. All of you, yes.
No, I never don't.
You guys already did yours.
Okay, how many of you learned something, even if you've been in 3rd grade for 20 years, you've learned something new about teaching multiplication? Me too. Because as a 5th grade teacher, do I need to know about vocabulary? I do. I mean, my kids are coming to me, not asking multiplication bags, and that's awesome. I mean, like, I will enjoy that part of the day, right? Use it as your activator. Don't kill it, and don't do the ones that they already